Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So this week I'll be showing you how to create this really fun and really easy 70s inspired makeup look. And I think this is a great look for the summer. It's colorful, but it's still very wearable. Really quickly though, before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That would be super amazing and I'd be really grateful. And if you're feeling extra nice, please go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So start off by applying whatever primer, foundation, and concealer you'd like, because at the end of the day, no one knows your skin better than you do. But if you're looking to stay true to the 70s, you want to look for something that's lightweight and hydrating. Women of the 70s were all about foundations that gave them a natural, healthy-looking glow. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the Wanderer Seascape palette by Wander Beauty. And to start things off, I'm going to take the shade Sand Dollar and apply that all in my crease. This is just going to help the next shade I apply look really soft and blended. In the 70s, eyeshadow looks were generally very well blended and had no hard lines. Now I'm going to take some of the shade Golden Reef and apply that over where I applied Sand Dollar. I really love this warm, shimmery orange color. I think it's so pretty and very summer. Shimmery eyeshadows like this one were really in during the 70s. I'm not too sure about the color orange, but blue, greens, and purples were really popular. So if you're looking to create a more authentic look, maybe switch out the first two shades I applied with something else. Next, using my finger, I'm going to take the shade Seafoam and pat that on my lids. I generally don't go for green eyeshadows, but I do think this one is really pretty. I really like the finish and I like how it's a more muted green color. And lastly, using my finger again, I'm going to take the shade Champagne Harbor and apply that to my inner corners. This is just going to brighten everything up. For eyeliner, I'll be using NYX Epic Wear in the shade Intense Teal. And I'm going to start off by lining my lower lash line. I'm creating a line that's tapered from the outer corner to the middle. And once that's done, I'm going to take an angled brush and smudge things out of it. I'm also going to be lining a little bit of my upper lash line. I just wanted to find this V shape in the corner right here. And once that's done, I'll also be blending that out with a flat angled brush. For mascara, I'll be using this one by Milk Makeup, and I really like the volume that this adds to my lashes. I'm just going to be applying this to my upper lashes, but in the 70s it was very popular to apply mascara to your top and bottom lashes. I'm just not going to do that because my bottom lashes look like really bad if I put mascara on them. For powder, I'll be using CoverGirl's Clean Press Powder, and I'm just going to be doing a light dusting to help my base makeup stay in place. For brows, which I almost forgot, I'll be using Benefit's Give Me Brow Gel, and I'm just going to brush things out a bit and add some volume and color. Brows in the 70s were brushed and natural looking. Using Physicians Formula's Butter Bronzer, I'm going to be doing some light contouring and some fairly heavy all-over bronzing. Having a tanned glow was really big in the 70s. For blush, I'll be using Sephora's Blush Me in the shade Rose Rebelle. And I'm just going to be lightly applying this to my cheeks, my cheekbones, and nose to create a really natural looking blush. In the 70s, blush color and application were supposed to be really natural looking. For highlight, I'll be using Benefit's What's Up Highlighter, and I'll just be doing some general highlighting. And to finish up the look, I'll be using Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the shade Darling. Super shiny and glossy lips were the thing in the 70s. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked this one. I had a lot of fun putting this one together, and I'm really feeling like a summer disco queen right now. Anyway, I gotta run now, so I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!